Today's show is sponsored by Hilltop. Contact them at 812-472-3446.
Audrey, and this is your PHS News Today for Thursday, September 26th. Picture Retake Day will be on Monday, September 30th from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. Students who did not get their photo taken on the first picture day need to do so at this time. Any student wanting to retake their photo should plan to have their photo taken at this time as well. Check out what the cafeteria is serving up today. Kickball intramural sign-up forms have been sent in your email. Get your teams together or sign up as an individual and be placed on a team. Sign-ups will end September 27th and games will be played on October 2nd. And now to Payton with your Rams Sports Report.
Thank you, Audrey. Tonight, boys junior high tennis will be away at Bedford Middle School starting at 4:30. JV and varsity tennis will be away at Lagodi starting at 5. Cross country will be home starting at 5:30. Junior high volleyball will be away at Shoals starting at 6. Junior high football will be at West Washington starting at 6. Come support all your Rams in action tonight. Back to you, Audrey.
FCCLA will be hosting a blood drive on October 2nd in the lower gymnasium. Any student 16 or older who would like to donate must sign up through the email link Ms. Manship sent out last week. If you are 16 and plan to donate, please pick up a parent permission form from Ms. Manship, Ms. Andrew, or Ms. Grabner in the main office. If you have any questions about the blood drive, please see Ms. Manship. And now to Adin with your weather report.
Thank you, Audrey. Looking at the radar today, there is very little chance of rain today. Today we have a high of 79 and a low of 55. Looking at your weekend, on Friday we have a high of 88 and a low of 68. Saturday we have a high of 90 and a low of 67.
Paoli Student Council will be having Powder Puff football October 21st at 7 p.m. Sign up in the main office by the 14th. And Macho Man volleyball October 28th at 7 p.m. Sign up by the 21st. I'm Audrey, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day.